Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon wishlist referral links. Let's begin. So once you open up your web browser, you are going to search up Amazon Associates, and then you're going to select the first link where it says Amazon.com Associates Central. Now, after you've entered in that link and you've selected it, you're going to be greeted by this page. Now, mind you, you must have already created an account to be able to access this page. Because if you do not create an account, then you're going to have to first create it before you can access this. Afterwards, you're going to be put onto this page. Now, what you want to do first is you need to choose which product that you want to promote. So let's say that I want to promote this bottle here. I'm going to select it. Then it's going to give you a little bit of information about this type of product. So it belongs in the category of kitchen and dining, and it's going to show you the commission rate. So it's going to be 4.50%. And it says here that these products are selling fast. Now, in order to get the link so that you can try to promote this product and then earn a commission, you're going to go to the top here and select Get Link. After selecting Get Link, it's going to give you a link that you can try to copy and then try to paste it in your social media such as YouTube, your Twitter, Instagram, and so on. So it's going to be highlighted for you, and this is going to be the short link. And all you simply need to do is just right click, then select Copy. And then you can go and paste the link. Now, if you want the full link, you're going to select the full link option here next to short link. And that's going to be the full link of this product. And you're going to right click, then select Copy. And it's also going to give you the store ID, and it's going to give you the tracking ID. Now, another cool thing to see how much you've been earning on your Amazon Influencers and Associates account, go to the top left corner and you're going to see this purple section where it says Influencers and Associates Site Stripe. If you select it, it's going to take you to another separate page where it's going to show your earnings. So right now there's currently 0 because I just created this account, but this is very good to see how much you've been earning so far. So it's going to say the earnings overview, and it's going to show you how many items have been shipped, your total earnings, your total order items, clicks, and then the conversion. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.